differentiation. So let us find here first order. So dou phi by dou x. Okay, dou by dou x of phi means you know that. What is that? 2x cube y square z raised to 4. Let us find dou by dou x of this one. Dou by dou x of this one means differentiate this with respect to x. Then we have to consider y z as a constant. X cube differentiation with respect to x means 3x square. 3x square into 2 means 6x square y squared z raised to 4. Keep it as it is. Next, here only find second order. Dou square phi by dou x square. What it means? Dou by dou x of dou phi by dou x. Differentiation of a dou phi by dou x with respect to x. Once again, that is a partially. So, dou phi by dou x means what we have this one right here. 6x square y square z raised to 4. Then dou by dou x of this whole term. X square with respect to x 2x. 2x into 6 12x y square z raised to 4. Keep it as it is because y and z as a constant. Similarly, find here dou phi by dou y. Dou by dou y of phi means again 2x cube y square z raised to 4. This whole term with respect to y. Then we have to consider x and z as a constant. Y square with respect to y 2y. 2y into 2 4y x cube z raised to 4. Then find here dou square phi by dou y square. Okay, what it means? Dou by dou y of dou phi by dou y. Split here. Dou by dou y of dou phi by dou y. Again it is nothing but dou square phi by dou y square. Then keep a dou by dou y as it is. Dou phi by dou y means again this value. Write down clearly 4y x cube z raised to 4. This whole term with respect to y. Then we have to consider x and z as a constant. Y with respect to y 1. 4 into x cube z raised to 4. Then find here dou phi by dou z. What it means? Dou by dou z of phi value means again 2x cube y square z raised to 4. This whole term with respect to z means z raised to 4 with respect to z. 4z cube. 4z cube into 2 8x cube y square z cube. Keep x and y terms as it is because that is constant. Then find here dou square phi by dou z square only. Okay, what it means? Dou by dou z of dou phi by dou z. So dou by dou z as it is. Substitute here dou phi by dou z value. What we have here? 8x cube y squared z cube. This is our dou phi by dou z. Write down here. Then this whole function with respect to z. Then we have to consider x and y as a constant here. Then it becomes z cube with respect to z 3z square. 3z square into 8 means 24 x cube y square z square. Okay, so what we have here? Laplacian del square phi. So we have del square phi. We have del square phi. What is the del square phi means? This one. Write down dou square phi by dou x square, dou square phi by dou y square, dou square phi by dou z square is there. Del square phi is equals to dou square phi by dou x square means this value. Write down here 12x y square z raised to 4. Dou square phi by dou y square means this value 4x cube z raised to 4 plus dou square phi by dou z square means this value. Write down 24x cube y square z square. Okay, consider this one as equation 2. So from equation 1 and from equation 2, what we have? Equation 1 means this one. Observe here. Equation 1 means 12x square y square z raised to 4 plus 4x cube z raised to 4 plus 24z square x cube y square. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, these two are equal here. Obviously, here RHS is equals to RHS. Obviously, LHS is equals to LHS. What we have LHS part of this one? Del dot product with del phi is equals to. LHS part of this one, what we have here? Del square phi. So, this is our required final verification. It completes the solution.